Wondering how big garage doors really are? Let's break it down. First up, standard single-car garage doors. These are typically 8 to 10 feet wide and around 7 to 8 feet high. Perfect for most vehicles. Need more space? Double-car garage doors measure about 16 to 18 feet wide. They're ideal for families with multiple vehicles. For unique needs, custom garage doors offer endless possibilities. From oversized doors for RVs to designs tailored to your home, the options are endless. Keep in mind, residential garage doors differ from commercial ones. Residential doors focus on style and function, while commercial ones prioritize durability and size. Thinking of upgrading? Always measure carefully. Height, width, and even the opening frame play crucial roles in finding the right fit. Want to learn more? Visit DreyfusFireplaces.com and make your next garage door decision stress-free.